Mulch is a layer of material you spread around your plants, like a protective blanket. It's not just about aesthetics, it's a crucial step for healthy, thriving gardens. Mulch helps your soil retain moisture, preventing it from drying out too quickly. It also acts as a barrier, suppressing pesky weeds that compete with your plants for nutrients and water. And, by regulating soil temperature, mulch keeps your plant roots happy, even in extreme heat or cold. Choosing the right mulch depends on your needs and preferences. Organic mulches like wood chips, bark, and compost decompose over time, enriching the soil. They are generally affordable and readily available. Inorganic options like gravel and plastic last longer but don't improve soil quality. They might be cost-effective but can impact aesthetics. Consider your budget, the look you want, and your soil's needs when selecting the perfect mulch for your garden. When applying mulch, less is more. A layer of 2 to 4 inches is ideal, ensuring adequate moisture retention and weed control. Maintain a small gap between the mulch and the base of your plants, preventing rot and pests. Spread the mulch evenly around the plant, avoiding mounds or thick layers. Use a rake or shovel to distribute it uniformly, creating a neat and effective barrier. Mulch doesn't last forever. As organic mulches decompose, they need replenishing. Add fresh mulch annually to maintain the desired depth and effectiveness. Watch out for compacted mulch, which can hinder water absorption. Rake it gently to loosen it up. Pest infestations can also occur in mulch. Regularly inspect for signs of pests and address them promptly to prevent problems. By keeping your mulch layer healthy, you ensure continued benefits for your plants. Mulching is a simple yet powerful practice for a thriving garden. Consistent mulching improves soil health, reduces water usage, and promotes vibrant plant growth. You'll notice a difference in your plant's vigor and the overall health of your garden. Don't just take our word for it. Try mulching yourself and see the positive transformation in your own garden. It's a small effort that yields big rewards.